Hello, this video demonstrates how to set up automatic backlinking for self-hosted block network, PBN, or any type of single or group of sites that have RSS feeds. In order to set up automatic backlinking, you need to either navigate to existing project or create a new project. So I'm in one of my projects, and inside you need to create a network, or you already might have existing network with the type of private block network. This is network where you can place self-hosted blogs. So I have the network. You can see that I have a network with 5 blogs in, and I go to the network to set up automatic backlinking. But before we do that, we need to make sure that all blogs have updated RSS feed. If I go to list of blogs, navigate to individual blog, on the setting tab you will see feed URL. If this field is empty, you have to either enter it manually or ask system to load feed automatically. So it will go and try to discover feed URL from the actual site. So once you update it, you need to save it. So now when we have all blocks updated with the RSS feed, so we'll set up automatic backlinking based on the RSS feeds of all the blog and the network. So I go to the settings tab on the network, private block network, and scroll down to automation section. Automatic backlinking implemented in the form of data pipe. So data pipe collects the data, just general implementations. It collects the data and send it to chain it to another submission or another network. So I click on the create new data pipe, and I'll select the type RSS backlinking. RSS backlinking type is available only in the network with the type of private block network. So now I have an option to select how many links, random links from all of those RSS feeds I will be sending for backlinking. Data pipe executed on schedule automatically. So you can set it up so to run, let's say, every day, and this is default settings, every second day, once a week, and so on. And you can judge by the number of new posts you have every day, or across the network, so how much backlinking your RSS needs. Let's say I have 5 blogs and I want to do, let's say, random 10 items from combined RSS to be backlinked like every night. So I select an action, send URL, and I have an option to send URL to either social bookmarking, social network, or Web2 network, one of or in any combination. So those submissions are implemented in a form of push submission, and so you can check the video explaining what the push submission is, but this is the way of chaining links from the upper tier to the lower tier. So let's say I want to backlink my RSS items on the using Web2 submission. So I'll just select one of my existing Web2 submission, and I have an option to select how I want link to be placed. By default, it is a naked URL, which not probably want to have them like all 100%. Another option is URL plus title. So it's again the simple configuration that's more appropriate, because in the real case very often you have URL plus titles in the link. Or you can select very advanced configuration where you select link profile, template, select the placement of the link. So basically you configure with the link profile, you have exact control of how you want link to be placed. Let's say I will be placing 10 random links on Web 2, and let's say I'll do the same for bookmarking. You can send your backlinks to your own networks or shared networks. And again, so for the sake of data pipe, it doesn't make any difference. It's how you set up your push submission. In my configuration, this bookmarking posts links to the shared network. I don't have my own bookmarking account, and those tier 3 network is in my account. And I'm gonna save data pipe. So now I have once again, it is in the settings tab of the private blog network. I have new automation, and you can see when it's run. You can see when it was run last time, when would be next run, and you have control over the data pipe. You can run it manually. You can disable schedule. Let's say you can see that this pipe is serve backlink and is disabled, so you still can run it manually, but it's not going to execute on schedule. You can edit and delete it. So once you set it up, system will execute this backlinking on schedule, and you don't need to come like every day and update and do backlinking. So it will be just drip feeding your post based on your push submission configurations.